What is, for example, if you want to procure a consumable, means you don't want to maintain the stock. Okay, you want to procure a material, and that material you don't have to maintain any stock. It will be directly used for some purpose. Hmm? It's like you can sell a consumable procurement, and how the process
Yeah.
will be there in a purchase order. How do you create it? Generally, for this
I
kind of consumable materials, you can do like if you want to maintain the stock, or if you want to track the goods receipt, that the business requirement we need to discuss first. Okay, when you're taking uh, that kind of requirement, what we do, for example, if they want to maintain the stock and they want to issue to the different departments, then you create a normal standard purchase order without any account assignment category. We do the goods receipt, then stock will come to warehouse, and then which department we need, we can do the goods issues. Okay, goods issue against cost center, goods issue against any admin department, any kind of different cost centers and all, we can send to them, we can issue that goods. Or else if they don't want to maintain the stock, okay, they directly order a material for the respective cost center. Then we create a purchase order and account assignment category we give as K. Okay,
Yeah.
in K, then what will happen after you have done the goods receipt, directly stock will be consumed. There will not be any stock update will happen. You cannot see in MMBA also. As soon as you do the goods receipt, it will be directly consumed on that cost center which you have given in the purchase order. Generally, maximum companies use this process. Okay. Here there is no
Okay.
stock account, there is no stock will be updated and all. It will be directly loaded on the cost center. Okay, that is one thing.
Okay.
And
Okay.
for example, some companies what will they don't want GR also. Okay, then they can remove that GR and only PO with cost and with